Good morning. I always say nature is the best healer, and you can connect with it. It's really beautiful, powerful, and it has the power to heal you. Whenever possible, try to be with nature, walk barefoot, enjoy it, listen the sound, watch it, and it will fill your heart with love, with feeling. It's so amazing. And our heart chakra, color of our heart chakra is green. That is the color of nature. And whenever we are around nature, we just heal ourselves naturally, without any force, without any pressure. It's so beautiful and so amazing. So be with nature, enjoy it, and heal yourself naturally. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.